Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day, and today we have Pillsbury cookies with pink cream cheese frosting.
Yum.
Look how cute that is.
Oh my gosh.
Like the cutest shade of baby pink.
Whoever doesn't like Pillsbury cookies, oh my gosh. Life.
And with this top of frosting.
Cheers.
Yum. Look how cute they are. Okay, I can eat these all in a sitting. Oh, I wish I had some sprinkles.
I know. I only have Christmas sprinkles. Love.
I'm gonna eat all of them. They're so addictive. No more knife.
No. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Like pink cream cheese frosting. Yum. Look at that. Try it. Cream cheese frosting, Pillsbury, best combo.